Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Rei Ayanami figure is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for fans of Neon Genesis Evangelion, capturing the enigmatic pilot in stunning detail and bringing a piece of the iconic anime into your home, making it a must-have for any serious collector or admirer of her unique character design and the series' profound themes. Number 5. Sega Evangelion Rei Ayanami Figure. Discover the latest addition to your collection from Sega. This high-quality figure is designed to impress. Are you searching for that perfect piece to complete your display? This meticulously sculpted figure is an ideal choice. This is an officially licensed product, ensuring authenticity and quality for all fans and collectors. Bring home the iconic Rei Ayanami from Evangelion 3.0 plus 1.0 thrice upon a time. It's perfect for any fan. Assembly is simple with the included base stand, making it easy to display your new treasure. Sega brings you this exquisite vignette figure, a testament to their commitment to quality and fan satisfaction. What we like. This figure captures a unique artistic interpretation with its vignettium style. It showcases the tentative name concept, offering a distinct look. If you appreciate artistic flair and a less conventional portrayal, this one is for you. What people say. The figure is highly detailed, capturing Rei Ayanami's iconic look perfectly. The paintwork is exquisite, with subtle shading and accurate color application. The sculpt is dynamic, showing Rei in a characteristic pose that fans will appreciate. Number 4. Good Smile Rebuild of Evangelion, Rei, Long Hair Ver. Pop-up Parade PVC Figure. From the popular anime movie series, Rebuild of Evangelion, comes a new figure. This collectible features Rei Ayanami in a unique long-hair design. This is a special import from Good Smile Company. It showcases the beloved character with her hair styled long, offering a fresh look. Standing at approximately 6.7 inches tall, this PVC figure captures her essence beautifully. The multicolor design adds vibrancy to the piece. This detailed figure is perfect for any fan of the series. It's a fantastic addition to display among your existing collection. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exquisite Rei Ayanami figure. Make sure to add her to your display today. What we like. This features Rei with her iconic long hair, a fan-favorite look. As part of the pop-up parade line, it offers great value and detail. If you're looking for a classic, elegant depiction of Rei, especially with her flowing hair, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The figure is a faithful representation of Rei Ayanami, capturing her iconic look. The paint application is clean and vibrant, bringing the character to life. The sculpt is highly detailed, with intricate textures and sharp lines. Number 3. Sega Evangelion 3.0 plus 1.0 Rei Ayanami Figure. Introducing the Evangelion 3.0 plus 1.0 thrice upon a time figure from Sega. This collectible brings the iconic world of Evangelion to life. This special edition features the character Rei Ayanami. It's a must-have for any dedicated fan of the series. Rest assured, this is an officially licensed product. You're getting authentic merchandise for your collection. It comes complete with a base stand for easy display. Showcase your figure proudly on any surface. Crafted with attention to detail by Sega, this figure captures the essence of the character. Add this piece to your Evangelion memorabilia today. What we like. This SPM figure from Sega presents the tentative name version of Rei. It's an officially licensed product, ensuring authenticity and quality. If you're a collector who values official merchandise and a specific aesthetic from the Thrice Upon a Time movie, this is a solid pick. What people say. The figure is highly detailed, capturing the iconic look of Rei Ayanami perfectly. The paint application is clean and vibrant, bringing the character to life. It comes with several interchangeable parts, allowing for different poses and display options. Number 2. Sega Evangelion Rei Ayanami Premium Figure, version 1.5. From Evangelion 3.0, comes a premium figure of Rei Ayanami. This is the tentative name version, presented in 1.5. This meticulously crafted figure captures the iconic character in stunning detail. It's a must-have for any serious collector. This is the version 1.5 release, offering a unique take on the character. Experience the quality and artistry of Sega's design. Inspired by the film You Can Not Redo, this figure brings a piece of the Evangelion universe to life. Own a part of this epic saga. Sega brings its renowned quality to this collectible. You can be sure of the craftsmanship and attention to detail. Add this Rei Ayanami figure to your collection. It's a fantastic representation of the character from the popular anime series. What we like. This premium figure is from the You Can Not Redo era, offering a specific look from that film. Version 1.5 suggests potential refinements or a particular release. If you're a fan of this particular movie installment and want a detailed representation, this figure is a great addition. What people say. The figure is highly detailed, capturing Rei Ayanami's iconic look perfectly. The paint application is flawless, with vibrant colors and sharp lines that bring the character to life. It comes with several interchangeable parts, allowing for different poses and display options. Number 1. Sega Evangelion 3.0 Rei Ayanami Premium Figure. From Evangelion 3.0, comes a premium figure of Rei Ayanami. This collectible captures her likeness from the movie. Originally known by the tentative name, Rei Ayanami, this figure brings a key character to life. It's a must-have for fans of the series. This is a premium figure, meticulously crafted for collectors. It stands approximately 8.4 inches tall, showcasing detailed design. Mark your calendars. This highly anticipated figure was released on July 25, 2014. Don't miss out on adding it to your collection. From Sega's premium figure line, this piece represents the quality and detail fans expect. It's a fantastic addition for any Evangelion enthusiast. What we like. Standing at an impressive 8.4 inches, this premium figure captures Rei Ayanami in her tentative name, guise. Its larger size makes it a statement piece. If you prefer larger, more imposing figures and are drawn to this specific portrayal, this is the one to consider. What people say. The figure is highly detailed, capturing Rei Ayanami's iconic look perfectly. The paint application is excellent, with subtle shading that brings the character to life. It comes with several interchangeable parts, allowing for different poses and display options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.